So cancel these 2 by 2, right? So now 7 divided by 1. So 7 divided by 1 is equal to 7, right? But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule, right? So PEMDAS, P-E-M-D-A-S. According to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parentheses, then second priority is exponents, then third priority is multiplication and division. So here multiplication and division both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. Then fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. So in this question here we have division and here multiplication. So multiplication and division both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this division. So now 7. Now according to KCF rule, K means keep this first 7 as it is same. Then C means change this sign from division to multiplication. Then F means flip this fraction 1 upon 2 is equal to 2 upon 1 times 2. Right? So now 2 upon 1 is equal to 2. So we can remove this one. Right? Now 7 times 2 is equal to 14 times 2. Right? Now 14 times 2 is equal to 28. So the correct answer is 28. If you like this solution, then please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.